Why do dogs snore? Have you ever noticed your dog snoring while sleeping? The most common reason dogs snore is partial blockage of the airways. When muscles relax during sleep, air causes vibrations which create the snoring sound. Some dog breeds snore more than others. Especially short-nosed breeds are more likely to snore. Sleeping position can also affect snoring. Dogs that sleep on their back may snore more. In some cases, snoring can be related to weight or health issues. So if your dog snores, it is usually normal, but if it becomes frequent or loud, it may need attention.